Risk management for medical devices based on ISO 14971 2019. Introduction. Hello and welcome. In this session, we will explore risk management for medical devices in accordance with ISO 14971 2019, the internationally recognized standard that defines a structured approach for identifying, evaluating, controlling, and monitoring risks associated with medical devices. This discussion is valuable for medical device professionals, quality assurance and regulatory personnel, design and development teams, risk management practitioners, auditors, and consultants. Our objective is to understand why risk management is critical. Key concepts of ISO 14971 2019. The risk management process. Practical application in medical devices. Now first, why risk management is essential. Medical devices directly impact patient safety, user safety, and regulatory compliance. Ineffective risk management can lead to potential harm, product recalls, regulatory penalties, legal liabilities, reputational damage. Effective risk management helps organizations enhance patient safety, improve product reliability, meet regulatory expectations, reduce failures and complaints, support informed decision making. Risk management is not just a regulatory requirement, it is a core business and ethical responsibility. Second, understanding ISO 14971 2019. ISO 14971 2019 provides a systematic framework for managing risks throughout the entire life cycle of a medical device. It applies to active medical devices, non-active medical devices, software as a medical device, SAMD, in vitro diagnostic devices. The standard emphasizes risk-based thinking, life cycle approach, patient and user protection, objective decision making. Third, key definitions. Risk. Combination of probability of occurrence of harm, severity of that harm, hazard. Potential source of harm, hazardous situation, circumstance where people or property are exposed to hazards, harm, physical injury or damage to health. Fourth, the risk management life cycle. ISO 14971 follows a structured process: risk management planning, risk analysis, risk evaluation, risk control, evaluation of residual risk, risk management report, production and post-production activities. This is a continuous process, not a one-time exercise. Fifth, risk management planning. The organization must define scope of risk management, responsibilities and authorities, risk acceptability criteria, methods for risk analysis, verification activities. The risk management plan acts as the roadmap. Sixth, risk analysis. Risk analysis involves identifying hazards, estimating risks. Hazards may arise from design flaws, material issues, software errors, usability problems, electrical/mechanical failures, biological interactions. Common tools: preliminary hazard analysis, PHA, failure modes and effective analysis, FMEA, fault tree analysis, FTA. Seventh, risk evaluation. Here we determine is the estimated risk acceptable. This depends on defined risk acceptability criteria, severity versus probability, clinical benefits. If unacceptable, it will lead to risk control required. Eighth, risk control. Risk control follows a priority hierarchy. First, inherent safety by design. Eliminate hazards through design. Second, protective measures, guards, alarms, safety mechanisms. Third, information for safety, warnings, instructions for use, labeling. Important principle: do not rely only on warnings if design solutions exist. Ninth, residual risk evaluation. After controls, what risk remains? Questions: is residual risk acceptable? Does benefit outweigh risk? If not, It will lead to additional controls required. 10th, benefit risk analysis. When risk cannot be reduced further, evaluate medical benefits versus remaining risk. This requires clinical justification, scientific reasoning, documented decision. 11th, risk management report. A formal report confirming process completion, acceptability of overall residual risk, methods used, results achieved. 12th, production and post-production activities. Risk management continues after product release, monitor, complaints, adverse events, field data, regulatory feedback, service reports. Purpose: detect new hazards, reassess risks, implement corrective actions. 13. Common risk management pitfalls. Typical weaknesses: superficial hazard analysis, poorly defined risk criteria, over reliance on warnings, lack of post-market monitoring, incomplete documentation. Best practices: cross-functional involvement, objective evaluation, evidence-based decisions, regular updates. 14th, integration with regulatory requirements. Risk management supports compliance with medical device regulations, design control requirements, clinical evaluation, usability engineering, post-market surveillance. Regulators expect traceable, documented, defensible risk decisions. 15th, value of effective risk management. Organizations benefit through improved patient safety, reduced product failures, fewer recalls and complaints, stronger regulatory confidence, enhanced product quality. Risk management becomes a competitive advantage. Now, at last, closing. Thank you for joining this session on risk management for medical devices based on ISO 14971 2019. A robust risk management process is fundamental to ensuring device safety, regulatory compliance, and organizational credibility. If you found this video useful, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, enable notifications for more professional training and compliance related content. We provide 1 day, 2 days, even 3 days online courses for this standard. Please contact us for training programs and professional courses. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com. Mobile number is +91 7359 458455. Thank you for watching.